Good afternoon, Brandon here from BeastMode Trading. It's that time again. Instill confidence within our belief system. System number one, recap for the previous week. It is January 10th, 2021. Monday this week was January 4th. Let's dive in to see how system one treated us this week. Another green one in the books, just following our plan. This strategy is a scalping strategy, and it's very powerful. We look to trade it from 9:30 to 12, and then we get to go enjoy the rest of our day. We have a very high probability to finish the week green. We don't win every single trade, and that's where that discipline, consistency, and risk management come into in the equation. Without any of those three, the chances of you being successful for the long haul probably isn't going to happen too much, But once again, that's just my opinion. So I don't want to take too much of your time. I appreciate each and every single one of you guys. We do forecast this live in our chat room Monday through Friday. We have daily lectures from 9:30 to 11:30, and then after that, we kind of leave the room open to the individuals, and we have a good time, So let's dive in to see how we did last week. We have a red line. We take our first red arrow right here, our stop outs right here, and we go on to get a winner. We are 1-0, and 12 o'clock comes. We don't take anything else. So we're 1-0 on this day. Let's dive into day number two. We take puts right here. I'm sorry, puts. We're 1-0. We take calls right here. Blue line, stop outs right here. Our 1-1 is right there. Got hit. We're 2-0 on the week right now. Then we take some puts right here. Our stop outs right there. Previous structure high. Hit our 1-1. We are 3-0 right now. Then we get we don't get any more signals. This one happens at 12:04. Beautiful little pop. Some of our clients took that. We had a breakout entry right here and went straight up. But we're not going to count that in our back test or our recap because it's after 12 o'clock. And technically, we really don't take a signal 59 or 12. That's just us. So we are 1-0 yesterday. We are 2-0 today. We're 3-0 on the week, right? 1-0, 2-0, 3-0. We are 3-0 in 2 trading days. Some folks just stop trading for the week, and they get to go enjoy the week and come back. For the rest of us that keeps on trading, we're 3-0. We take some puts here, and we got stopped out for a loss right there. But we were in some calls right here, and we got stopped out, or our stop loss was right there, and went on to take this winner. If you failed to get that one, you could have taken your calls right here and your stop outs right there and still got another winner out of that. So we were 3-0 with this trade. We're 3-1 with this trade right here. We are 4-1, and we don't get anything else for the rest of the day. This signal comes right at 12 o'clock. So we are 1-0, 3-0, 3-1, or 4-1 right now for the week. And that brings us into Thursday. Oops, sorry. So we are, what did I say, 4-1, 1-0, 2-0, 3-0. Yeah, we're 4-1. Then we take calls right here, stop outs right there, set a trail stop right here, and we got another winner. We are 5-1, and trades like this, we enter. We put a stop loss there. Our take profits there. You set a trail stop. This doesn't look like much, but look at the movement. 50 cents all the way up to 95 cents. We're capturing a larger winner, which is a great situation to be in. There's a winner right here. Then we ended up taking some puts right here. Here was our stop out. We failed to never close above our line and goes on to be a winner. So we got 2 winners on this day, and then it brings us into Friday. Friday comes, we're looking for our first blue arrow. Right here, we take calls, stop outs down here. Our take profit was right here. Did not quite hit it, but it came within a couple cents. Anytime that happens, we tell our clients, if we come close to our target, set a trail stop. You do not want to take a loss on this trade when you're up this far. So an equation would be if you enter this trade with $1,000 and your stop's right here, and your 1-1 gets hit, it's fine. If you put this wick as your stop, which I typically do, a close below this wick would be a fail. If we did not get movement in our favor right here, this candle would cut me out of this trade. then I would take my money and go enjoy I would go enjoy what I have left with it and put it into the next trade. However, we took our calls right here. Here was our stop out. Our 1-to-1 was about 28 or 30 cents, and it came to about 22. So we came within 8 cents of our target. If you put $1,000 in this trade and you're up $400 at this point, are you willing to end up taking a $300 or $400 loss? I'm not. You may be. I'm not. So that's a winner right there for us in the room. This is Friday. Then we took some puts right here, and we had a stop out right there. 1-to-1 got hit. You said a trail stop. Once again, does not seem like a lot, but 34 cents all the way down to 89 cents, 90 cents. That's about another 40-cent move. So these trades right here give us a larger winner and brings our average on our winner side up significantly, only using the trail stop. So that's why we use it. So we're 2-0 on this day, and then we don't get a call trade. And then here, unfortunately, we take puts. Our stop out's right there, and guess what happens? We get stopped out for a loss. So on this day, we go 2-1, and that is our recap for this week. Another green week in the books. Friday we went 2-1. Thursday we go 2-1, 3-1, 4-1. Wednesday we go 4-1, 4-2, 5-2. We go 5-2. The next day brings our week total 5-2, 6-2, 7-2, and then Monday 7-2, 8-2. We went 8-2 for the week. We don't really have to do math on that. If you take 8 divided by 10, since we took 10 total trades, 80% win rate, which put us right in line with what we see on average, the historical probability win rate for this scalping system. It's a great tool to have. And like I said, if you want to be part of this, you want to purchase the system, reach out. We do private mentorships. All of our private mentorships, you get the system and all the tools that you see. We have 3 or 4 different systems. This is just the one that set me free. I traded this system only for a year straight. Took 1, 2, 3 trades a day, and then I wrapped it up. Obviously, if I got a winner on the first one, it was a grand slam, I'd scale back on the next 2 because we know, historically speaking, we can't win 100% all the time. So if you win 50% of your trades, you have a higher probability to get winners to bring that 50% win rate up to 80, 90%, 70, 80, 90%. If you're at 100% win rate, historically speaking, you're probably going to accrue a loss or 2 coming up. That's just the law of numbers, probability, and taking those signals. If you like what we do, like I said, reach on out. We'll get you squared away. Appreciate you for your time. Hope this video gave you confidence and instilled more confidence into your belief system. And for you in the room, thank you very much. Appreciate you guys, and see you tomorrow. Beast Mode out.